7 low-maintenance houseplants that clean the air and keep dust away. Some plants do more than sit pretty. They clean the air, trap dust, and ask almost nothing in return. These 7 low-maintenance houseplants are natural air purifiers that help create a fresher, healthier home without the extra work. Just a little light, the occasional drink, and they'll quietly pull their weight while making your space greener and cleaner. 1. Snake Plant Sansevieria. NASA research shows snake plants are champion air purifiers, removing toxins like formaldehyde and benzene while you sleep. Their tall, striking leaves have waxy surfaces that trap dust particles if they can spread around your home. Water them just once every 2 to 3 weeks and place in indirect light. These tough plants survive in almost any indoor condition and actually prefer being slightly neglected rather than overwatered. 2. Peace Lily Spathiphyllum. Elegant white blooms rise above glossy green leaves, making peace lily both beautiful and functional. Their leaves and roots work together to reduce mold spores in the air, perfect for bathrooms and damp spaces. Watch for drooping leaves as a signal to water, usually once a week. Peace lily thrive in low to medium light and help remove common household toxins like ammonia from cleaning products. 3. Spider Plant. Arching striped leaves send out baby plantlets that dangle like spiders, a web, giving this plant its playful name. Spider plants remove carbon monoxide and xylene while producing oxygen at impressive rates. Hang them in a basket where their cascading form can catch dust particles afloat through the air. Nearly impossible to kill, they bounce back from almost any neglect and produce babies you can snip off to grow new plants. 4. Boston Fern. Lush feathery fronds make Boston ferns natural air humidifiers and purifiers. Their delicate leaves have tiny hairs that trap dust particles while releasing moisture into dry indoor air. Mist occasionally and keep soil slightly damp. Boston ferns love bathrooms where shower steam provides the humidity they crave. Place them away from heating vents that can dry out their fronds too quickly. 5. Rubber Plant. Glossy, leathery leaves stand out with their rich burgundy green color and ability to shine up a room. Rubber plants excel at filtering formaldehyde from furniture and carpets, while their broadleaves create perfect dust-trapping surfaces. Wipe leaves occasionally with a damp cloth to keep them dust-free and shiny. These sturdy plants grow into impressive indoor trees with minimal care, needing water only, and the top pinch of soil feels dry. 6. Aloe Vera. Beyond its famous healing gel, aloe vera quietly cleans benzene and formaldehyde from the air. The spiky succulent stores water in its thick leaves, making it incredibly drought-resistant. Place in a sunny window and forget about it for weeks at a time. When soil is completely dry, give it a good soak. Aloe plants reproduce by growing baby plants you can separate and pot up. Perfect for sharing with friends. 7. Chinese Evergreen. Patterned leaves in silver, green, and pink make Chinese evergreens as decorative as they are hardworking. NASA studies found they effectively remove multiple air pollutants while tolerating poor light conditions. Low maintenance to the core, these plants thrive in offices with fluorescent lighting. Water sparingly and avoid cold drafts. Chinese evergreens grow slowly, requiring little pruning or repotting, making them perfect for busy plant parents.